Hey guys, I'm Luna.
And I'm Sol.
Today we're gonna do an exploding volcano.
We're gonna use Mentos and
This thing, so we'll open it and thing, and a big soda can.
yeah. So to do this experiment, we need goggles and a protection sweatshirt.
Or old clothes if you don't have this.
Yeah.
Next, you'll need a big one, because if you don't use a big one, you'll get all messy and it won't even work. So first we're gonna put these in.
The Mentos. Oh, they're so cute.
Oh wait,
I'm gonna open the rest. Ah, so hard.
here, you hold it. Hold it. I can't believe the Mentos have happy faces and sad faces. Ah, look, they have happy faces. So,
Oh, geez.
we have to put as much as they fit.
Oh, my.
I think this is the last one. Yeah. No, wait. No, this was the last one. Okay. So, we're going to slowly open it so it doesn't explode. Okay. Now, wait. Yeah, it's on. Now we're going to do this.
And run when you pour them in. Run.
Or else you'll get all dirty. Well,
Yeah.
that's why this clothes is for, but you don't want to be all sticky.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
my hand on it.
It's time.
1,
3, 2,
1. Run.
Whoa, guys.
Whoa, I run super fast.